Good morning, everybody. It is October 4th. Welcome to day 4 of Vlogoween. Here's a quick update on the Kohakuto from yesterday. It's what it looks like in sunlight. They're not sticky today and they're starting to get hard on the outside, but I can see why this is going to take very many more days to actually finish. Today, Connor and I are going to Nisqually Nature Preserve and maybe walk around downtown Olympia, just outdoor activities that we can do. And we're gonna do that with our friend Chris, who you've seen in this vlog last year. We do this every year together. Chris is part of our pod for contact tracing, so if you see us not wearing masks around each other, that's why. It's supposed to be pretty foggy today, which I think actually will be kind of cool because I like it when it's like foggy fall weather. The stereotypical Seattle weather really only shows up for a few months out of the year, so I'm excited to experience, a change of pace.